Dear students, I am Arjit, working as assistant professor in IT branch in MLU Textile and Engineering College, Bhilwara. Today we will discuss about the failure models. About the failure model in the distributed system. So we will basically discuss the different type of failures and what is the meaning of this type of the failure. So here we are different type of failure, and this is the description. This is the description of the failure. So first failure is the crash failure. Crash failure. In this type of the failure, the server halts. A server halts, but it's working correctly. But is working correctly until it halts. Means it's working, functioning is correctly until it's halts. Second type of the failure is the omission failure. Omission failure. In the omission failure, a server failed to respond to incoming request. Means a server fails to respond to incoming request. So in the omission failure, we are the receive omission and the send omission. Receive omission and the send omission. So in the receive omission means a server fails to receive incoming message, and in the send omission a server fails to send message. So these both are the omission failures. So next failure is the timing failure. So in the timing failure, a server response lies outside the specific time interval. Means a server responses lies outside the specified server response lies outside the specified time interval. Means server will give the response after the time or before the time. Means it is out of the specified time. Next failure is the response failure. So if a server response is incorrect, means the response of server is incorrect. So in the response failure, we are using we have the two part. One is the value failure and second the state transition failure. Value failure and second one is the state transition failure. Both are the response failure. And the last failure is the arbitrary failure. Arbitrary failure. So in the arbitrary failure, server may produce arbitrary response at the arbitrary time. Means server is not giving the proper response. Means arbitrary response given by the server at the arbitrary time. So it is all about the failure models. Thanks.